Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title below, I'm gonna unbox the NEEWER-8000 USB microphone. I just ordered this from Lazada a few weeks ago, and please enjoy this unboxing video. So firstly, when you open the box, the first thing you see is the user guide. You can also see the product features and how to activate this microphone from your laptop. Next, you can see this USB-B to USB-A cable, which you can connect your microphone to your laptop. From the left side of the box, you can see a metal shock mount. And also the pop filter. The next thing that I'm going to unbox is the mic windscreen foam cap. Then we will have a table mounting clamp to hold your NEEWER-35 suspension boom scissors arm stand. And finally, our big hero in the box, and that is the NEEWER-8000 USB microphone kit. Well, let's set up now. Firstly, fix the table mounting clamp on the table and tighten it. After that, place the suspension boom scissors arm stand on the table mounting clamp. Remember, the nuts and the screw is tightened up properly. After that, you should place the metal shock mount on the stand and screw it tightly. And then gently insert your USB condenser mic inside the metal shock mount. Plug the USB-A cable into the microphone, and then the USB-B into your laptop. Let us activate it in your laptop. So firstly, go to your setting and select system and find sound. After you have selected sound, select input and choose microphone USB. Well, my friend says that this audio quality is very good on the video call that day. So thank you for watching. Bye.